Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 8 December. Today's topic name is inner class. Inner class. First we see what is inner class. The class is right inside the class is called as inner class. The class that hold inner class is called as outer class. The class inner class is just like our other member, for example our methods and variable. The inner class is declared inside or interface in the class. Then the use of inner class is logically class group class and interfaces one place that more readable and maintainable. It additionally access all the data members of outer class. It include with the private data member and methods. Then we see advantages of inner class. The use of inner class is logically group classes and interfaces one place more readable and maintainable. Then it additionally access all the data member of outer class, all the data member of outer class. Then we see a difference between the nested class and inner class. The nested class is a part of outer class. The non-static nested class is called as inner class. There are two type of non-static inner class. First is non-static inner class and non-static nested class, and second is static nested class. The non-static nested class is called as inner class. Then we see there are three type of non-static nested class, means inner class. First is member inner class, second is anonymous inner class, third is local inner class. First we see member inner class. In member inner class, non-static class is created inside the class but outside the method is called as member inner class. Member inner class is also called as regular inner class. Member inner class can have access modifiers such as private, default, protected, public. Then we see next anonymous inner class. The anonymous inner class is the class without name is called as anonymous inner class, and which for a single object are created. Simply, the class that has no name is called as anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class is created on the created two-way class and interface. Then third is local inner class. The local inner class is created inside the method is called as local inner class. The local inner class is created inside the block. That block is a method. Sometimes the method is for loop. The local inner class cannot have any access modifier. uh, However they mark final and however they mark final and abstract. Then a second type is a static nested class. The static nested class is uh, create inside the class. Static nested class cannot refer any data member of non-static inner class. It refer only outer class. Thank you.